Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime without autopay. This is useful if you want to enjoy Prime benefits for a specific period without worrying about automatic renewal charges later. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're signed in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Prime Membership. This will take you to the Prime subscription page where you can manage everything related to your membership. Now, if you're eligible for a free 30-day trial, you'll see an option to start it. If you want to begin with the trial, click it. If not, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Choose Your Plan. Here, Amazon offers several subscription options, including Prime Monthly, Prime Annual, Prime for Young Adults, and Prime Access. Each plan has different pricing and benefits, so take a moment to review which one fits your needs best. Select your preferred option by clicking the circle next to it, then click Start Your Free 30-Day Trial. This will move you forward to the payment setup page. You'll be presented with different payment methods such as entering a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, or adding a credit or debit card. For this example, let's say you choose to add a credit or debit card. Click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. You'll now need to enter your card details. Fill in the name on the card, card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any issues with the payment processing. Once you've entered all the information, click Continue. Here's an important note you need to understand. Amazon Prime doesn't have a traditional autopay switch you can simply turn off during sign-up. The way Prime works is that it's set to auto-renew by default, meaning once your trial or billing period ends, it will automatically charge your payment method and renew your membership. So the usual way to prevent future charges is to end the membership or turn off renewal after you've subscribed. When you're ready to disable autopay, here's what you do. Open Account and Lists, then select Prime Membership again. On the Prime page, click Update, Cancel, and More, or look for the Membership Settings link. From there, click End Membership or Cancel Membership. Amazon will ask you to confirm, so click Continue to cancel or the next confirmation button that appears. Finally, select the option to end renewal and confirm the cancellation. This ensures that you can still use Prime for the remainder of your current billing period, but it won't automatically renew or charge you again. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to Amazon Prime and learned how to disable the auto-renewal feature so you stay in control of your subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.